welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. If this is your first time here, please don't forget to subscribe, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for stopping by again. Today's video I'm going to be doing a review of this eyeshadows that I recently got. I didn't get them all together. I got them like in the space of 3 weeks because I was just being so cheap. Yeah, so I recently found out about the Kaja beauty eyeshadows, and they are like this Korean beauty brand. And yeah, I was trying to actually get an eyeshadow for inner corner highlight, and then one of my friends told me about this, and she's like, oh, that's what she's been using. I'm like, okay, let's give it a try. And I got 3 of them. I mean, I love them so much, I had to get 3 of them. And the shades I got are the 101 Rose Water, which is like a pinky tone one. Then the Orange Blossom, which is like an orange tone one. And then the third one is the Toasted Caramel, which is like a brown toasty one. Yes, so I'm gonna do swatches of the shadows because I really think you should see how they look like, and I'm gonna also tell you what I think of them. I'm sure if you don't know by now, I love them already. I'm wearing I think the Orange Blossom on my lid and the Rose Water one as an highlight, and I think it's gonna be in my last video. I'm not sure if it's my last video or the one before, the one after this. Anyways, I just got Kleenex to just clean my hand while I do the swatches. Oh my god, my elbow is so dark. I've had this for like since forever. My elbows are so dark. Anyways, if you can ignore that and look here instead of here, thank you. So I'm going to be swatching the 01 Rose Water first. And I think I'm just going to take all 3 colors so you see what they look like. So this is what it looks like, and I'm just gonna swatch it here. They are so pigmented, like it's crazy. And I think the first time when I was trying to buy it, I actually went on YouTube to see reviews, but like not a lot of people know about this. I think I might be wrong. So that's the 01 Rose Water right there. It's like the pinky one. And then the 02 Orange Blossom is the one I'm gonna try next, which is like an orangey rose goldy kind of shade. For all 3 shadows, it's so weird that I love just the first colors and the second colors. So that's that one. Can you guys see it? It's a light too. Yeah, so that's 02. I think this is my favorite one because it's more like shades I like. And then the 03 is also one I saw it and I'm like, I have to have it. I have to have it. I have to. And then this is what that looks like. I don't know, are you guys getting the shades? Like, so that's pink, oranges, and browns. I really love the shadows. I think they perform well and they are super good for the price. I think the first time I got the pink one, like I said, I got it in the space of 3 weeks. I was buying one every week because I was too cheap. Yeah, so I think I bought the first one for $26 and the second one also for $26. But by the time I was buying the third one, Sephora had increased their prices. and I was like, what the heck, why didn't I just buy everything? But it was just $2 difference. But for 3 shadows you do get a lot of products, and the size for each pan is 0.9 grams, which is not bad. It's full size shadows in all 3 of them. And they do also have like other stacks with matte shades, but I think I have a lot of matte shadows already, so I'm not interested in buying those ones. So for these 3, I think it's an amazing buy. I really love them. I keep reaching for them every time. And to apply them, I usually don't have a base for them. Like, I don't apply shadows and put over them, but what I do is I use my NYX glitter glue. You can use a pigment primer if you want to, but I find that my glitter glue is always like in my drawer, so that's what I use every time I want to use it, and the shadows stay on all day when I use it, so it's even better. Yeah, I really love the shadows. I like the pigments on them. I like the price point. I like the size, and yeah, what's not to love? It's amazing. It's pigment, and like I said, I'm wearing one of them on my lids right now, and yeah, I love them so much. I think if you're feeling really bold, really bold, you can use either one of the shades, whichever one you like, as highlighter. It's gonna be weird, but I think it's gonna be really nice. Anyways guys, that's my review on these shadows. I love them, and super happy to have them. You can actually also travel with this. Like, if you're going on a trip, you can just have this in your makeup purse. They don't take a lot of space, and yeah. So guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed it. I just wanted to do like this short review and let you guys know what I love about the shadows. Anyways guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you aren't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.